Reverse engineering success in software development is a powerful approach that flips the traditional process on its head. Instead of starting with a vague idea and hoping to reach a goal, we begin with the desired outcomes. This method allows us to clearly define what success looks like before we even write a single line of code. Imagine you're tasked with creating a project management tool. Instead of diving straight into coding, we first visualize the end user's experience. What do they want to achieve? How will they interact with the tool? By mapping out these outcomes, we create a user journey that highlights key touchpoints and pain points. This step is crucial because it ensures that our solution is user-centric from the very beginning. Next, we break down these outcomes into specific processes and dependencies. This is where flowcharts come into play. They allow us to visualize the steps needed to reach our goals. For instance, if our goal is to help users track their tasks efficiently, we identify the necessary features: task creation, deadlines, reminders, and collaboration tools. Each of these features becomes a module in our development process. As we outline these modules, we also consider the dependencies between them. Which features rely on others? Understanding these relationships helps us prioritize our development tasks. For example, we can't implement reminders without first establishing a task creation system. By mapping these dependencies, we ensure a smooth workflow and avoid bottlenecks later in the project. Now let's talk about task breakdowns. Once we have our modules and dependencies outlined, we can create a detailed task list. This list should be actionable and time-bound, making it easier for the development team to stay on track. Each task should align with our defined outcomes, ensuring that every piece of work contributes directly to our ultimate goal. By adopting this reverse engineering approach, we not only clarify our objectives but also enhance team collaboration. Everyone involved, from developers to stakeholders, has a clear understanding of the end goal. This alignment fosters a sense of ownership and accountability, driving the project forward with purpose. In conclusion, reverse engineering success is about clarity and structure. By starting with the end in mind, we create a roadmap that guides us through the complexities of software development. This method not only leads to more effective solutions, but also empowers teams to innovate and adapt as they work toward their shared vision.